Hello and welcome. This is a Centrex software demo on our electronic signature technology called ClixSign. Let's go ahead and get started. Here at Centrex Software, we are a large ecosystem of finance dedicated products and services like CRM, LOS, servicing, payment processing, digital wallets, mobile apps. And one of the cool features that we have here at Centrex Software is our proprietary ClixSign document technology, which is our natively embedded e-sign technology within the Centrex Software platform. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look. In the Centrex Software platform, in the Contacts tab, you have all of your contacts, which is a borrower, whether it's a consumer borrower or a business borrower. And at the contact level, you have a nested tab called Docs. Okay, and in Docs, you've got generated documents, your ClixSign documents, and you also have your uploaded files. Now, obviously, your ClixSign documents are the documents that you would like to send out for electronic signature. Well, in order to do that, you need to have a template of that document in the software. So if we scroll up and we go into the Masters Docs tab here, you'll be able to see all of the individual templates that have been built into your Centrex software platform. Here's a good example. And you can see here that we have the ability to drag and drop these different fields. I can double click on these fields. Are they required or not? Here is the tag I want for that particular data point. These fields here are empty fields. They're fillable fields. So you can see here you've also got your signature fields. The eSign technology entertains up to 9 different signers on one document. And then, of course, you can see the different types of fields that you can add for co-applicants on this document. And then, of course, you've got a bunch of other document settings here on the left. But this is essentially where you would go set up your documents for electronic signature from a template perspective. What's really cool about Centrex as well is you can create document packages, right? So you have your individual templates here, and then if you want to send out a large e-sign document that includes multiple documents, you can create what we call a package. I can come in here and I can edit this particular package, and you can see here this package includes these 2 documents. I can drag and drop these up and down, how you want these to come first, second, third, last, so on and so forth. And then I can share these packages with different users in the software. Okay, so once the templatizing is done in the Docs tab, if I come back to a contact and I jump over to the Docs section, on the far right-hand side here, I have a button called Generate Documents. And this is going to pop this generate document modal. Now, it pre-populates to send for ClixSign. If all I want to do is generate the document, however, I can click on generate and save. I'm going to choose the template and or the package, and I'm going to click on generate, and that is going to display under generated documents. Okay, but if I do wish to send it for ClixSign, okay, I can click on generate documents. It's going to default to ClixSign. I can choose my template or I can choose my package. I can scroll down. I can choose an expiration date. I can enforce signing order. You know what? I don't want this second signer at all, just the first signer. I'd like to send via SMS. Here is my email template that'll go to the actual borrower, to this contact, and I'm going to click on send for signature. Okay, this is going to send the borrower an email, and in the email there's a link, and they can electronically sign that document or fill in different data points if they wish to do so. Once that document has been completed, under status, you'll see the document's been completed. I can come over to the far right. I can view details. I can see the IP address of who sent this document for e-sign. I can see the IP address of who signed this document. And then, of course, I can view this electronically signed document as well. And on the last page, you have the ClixSign digital certificate. Okay, this is now a legally stamped document. Okay, and that resides here at the contact level within a contact under the Docs tab under ClixSign documents. Okay, you can also upload files by dragging and dropping those documents here as well. Okay, once a client ClixSigns a document, if you wish, under the client portal, they can view those electronically signed documents. Okay, so if you were to log in as the customer to see this customer portal, that client can view the documents in the customer portal. If you have decided to purchase the Centrex software white labeled mobile app, there is an entire page within the mobile app, white labeled to your brand, on documents as well. Okay, so clients can see documents they've e-signed, they can upload documents right within the mobile app integrated into the Centrex software core operating system. Okay, now this is at the contact level. We also have at the advanced level. We also have at the loan level. Okay, so depending on the type of finance organization you are, if you're doing advances, I can come into an advance and I can come to the documents section and I can see the exact same hierarchy. I've got uploaded documents. I have my e-sign documents. I can generate a document and I can send this document off for electronic signature or generate additional documents. Okay, now if I do loans and not advances, I can come back to this contact. I can see the loans on file for this contact. Let's go into a loan. And then I can see the documents on file for this particular loan. Same concept, generated documents, ClixSign documents, uploaded files, and I can always generate that document right here at any time. Okay, so this is the electronically signed document software called ClixSign within Centrex. There are several different types of settings for documents going out automatically, manually, sending out documents via the Centrex software API, which is a very popular use case here at Centrex software. A lot of great things you guys can do with the e-sign technology here at Centrex software. If you'd like to learn more or do a deeper dive into the e-sign technology, go ahead and jump over to the website, click on Request a Demo, and a Centrex software specialist will be in contact with you shortly, and we can answer your questions. This is a Centrex software demonstration on the e-sign technology here at Centrex Software.